Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about structures. So, a structure is a collection of multiple data types that can be referenced with single name. It may contain similar or different data types. The data items in a structure are called structure elements, members or fields. The structures are used to join simple variables together to form a complex variables. The difference between an array and a structure is that array consists of a set of variables of same data type. However, a structure may consist of different data types. Structures are also used to define new data types. The user can define a new data type that may contain different types of data. A simple variable can store only one value at a time, but a structure variable can store multiple values at the same time. So, structure may contain different types of data. Moreover, structures can contain many values at the same time, but a simple variable can only store one value at a time. Declaring a structure. A structure is declared by using the keyword struct. So we can declare our structure using this struct keyword followed by the name of the structure. So we will write struct keyword then the name of our structure. In this way we can declare a structure. For example, struct student. Struct is a keyword and student is the name of our structure. And these are the members of our structures, data members, roll number, marks of type integer, averages of type float and character grade. So see, our structure contains a data of different data types, int, float and character. Defining a structure variable. The structure variable can be defined after declaration of a structure. So first we have to declare our structure, then we can define our structure variable. How to declare a structure? Simply write the name of our struct keyword, then the name of our structure, then data members. A structure variable can be defined after the declaration of a structure. The process of defining a structure variable is same as defining a variable of basic data types such as int, character. The definition tells the compiler to allocate memory space for variables. The compiler automatically allocates sufficient memory according to the element of a structure. So, syntax struct name then identifier. In this way we can define our structure. Name of our structure, student, and then name of any student. Let's say Usman. The above example defines a structure variable Usman. The variable consists of 4 members as specified in structure declaration. It consists of 4 members. Why? Because here see, we have declared this structure and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. Struct student contains 4 variables. So here variable Usman will consist of 4 members: roll number, marks, average and grade. Accessing members of a structure variable. Any member of a structure variable can be accessed by using dot operator. The name of the structure variable is written on the left side of the dot. So student Usman, then Usman dot roll number. So the name of structure is written on the left side of the dot operator. The name of member variable is written on the right side of the dot, and the name of member variable is written on the right side of the dot operator. The dot operator is also known as member access operator. So this dot operator is also known as member access operator. So in this way we can access the members of our structure. Okay guys, let's take an example for better understanding. Let's first we declare our structure. How to declare structure? Struct keyword, then the name of our structure. Let's say student, and parenthesis we will type the data members of our structure. Roll number, and marks. We can declare these two variables in same line because they are of same type. Float average, let's say AVG for average, and character grade. Now here in the main function, student, let's say S, we have made it the object of our structure. So by using this object we can now access the member of our data members of our structure in our main function. So S dot roll number. So see, in this way we can access, let's say roll number is equal to 10. Similarly, S dot marks is equal to, let's say 80. S dot average is equal to 80. Similarly, we can access marks average grade. Grade is equal to, let's say A. In this way we can access the data members of our structure. We have created a object of our structure, and using that object we can access the members of our structure. Now we can simply display these values on the console window. So cout let's say student marks is S dot marks end of line. Similarly, student marks and student roll number. Student roll number is S dot roll number end of line. Cout student averages. Average is S dot average similarly cout student grade. is display the grade of student dot. So how we can access the member of our structure? By using this structure name object s dot grade, end of line. So what I did is I simply created a structure. How we can create a structure? Declare a structure, simply write struct keyword then the name of our structure, and in the body of structure here we will define our data members and member functions. And then in the main function, like I have created the object of my structure student s, and using this object I have assigned the value to each data member, and then I have displayed these value on the console window. Let's execute this program. It will take some time. So student marks is 80, student roll number is 10, student average is 80, and student grade is A. In this way we can access the members of our structure. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe programming languages. Goodbye.